In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a Gantt chart in Confluence. We'll use Confluence's built-in roadmap planner macro to create a clean Gantt-style view that maps out work streams, tasks, and milestones on a timeline. Start by opening Confluence. You can create a brand new page with the Create button, or jump into one of your spaces and open an existing page. Once you're on the page you want, switch into editing mode so you can add content. In the editor, press the / key and start typing Roadmap Planner. When the Roadmap Planner macro appears, select it to add the timeline canvas to your page. This is where your lanes, bars, and markers will live. Begin by adding a lane. Think of lanes as rows that group related work, like a team, a project track, or a phase. Click Add Lane, then rename it to something clear and recognizable. Click Save to confirm. You can also set a lane color to visually distinguish it from others, which is great for quickly scanning the chart. If you created a lane you don't need, remove it before you proceed to keep things tidy. Next, add a bar. Bars represent tasks or initiatives scheduled over time. Click Add Bar, then click the new bar to open its options. Here you can link the bar to an existing Confluence page for details, or create a new page directly from this dialog to track the work. If a bar was added by mistake, delete it to avoid clutter. Add a marker to call out important milestones or deadlines such as kickoff, code freeze, or launch. Click Add Marker, give it a clear name, and save it. If the marker isn't needed, you can remove it just as easily. Now, shape your timeline. Drag bars to shift their start and end dates, and resize them to reflect duration. You can also drag lanes up or down to reorder them logically. Aim for consistent naming and color coding so anyone viewing the chart understands it at a glance. A quick tip: use lanes for teams or phases, bars for deliverables, and markers for critical dates. When the roadmap looks right, click Insert to place the macro into your page. Finally, click Update to save the page so your team can view and collaborate on the plan. That's it, your Gantt-style roadmap is now live in Confluence, easy to maintain, and linked to the work your team is doing.